Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Sanika here at Magenta Butterfly Crafts. Today I thought I would case a card from the Simon Says Stamp February card kit. The card was originally designed by Heather Hoffman, and when I saw it in the kit I thought I needed to make one for myself. I'm going to be using Lawn Fawn Cube inks for this card. I'm going to use sunflower, peacock, freshly cut grass, carrot, and plastic flamingo. I'm also going to use the stamp set from this kit, You're My Favorite. I'm going to start stamping by doing a band of hearts across the bottom of my card. I'm going to double stamp them and they're going to overlap just a little bit. When I finish doing the large hearts, I'm going to come in with some tiny hearts and then a mini heart, just to add more dimension, to just add to the design. It really plays up on the hearts in this design for the card. Super pretty. There's that mini heart stamp. It's just adorable. Once I finish with the hearts, I'm going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment, You're My Favorite. I love the font, the mix of fonts for that sentiment. I'm going to add to the design with some outline hearts, the black and black. Now let's going to start creating my card. So I'm going to put it on I back it on cardstock, the craft cardstock, and layer it. I think it looks super cute. So I'm using the Extreme Tombow adhesive for my adhesive for this card, and there I'm putting on the front. I'm going to layer it onto a white card base at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then I'm going to go to my stash and add some embellishments. I love enamel dots, and I've just gone and found some that match the colors I'm using in my card. And that will be it. Thank you so much. Doesn't it look amazing? It looks amazing. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my card. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see other cards from me, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you will be notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you in the next video.